Buccal fat pad removal is a very commonly done plastic surgical procedure in which through a very small cut which is given from inside the mouth, we are able to remove the fat from inside your cheeks. What it does is that it removes the fat in this area of your cheek and thus reduces the volume of your middle face and makes your zygomatic area, this prominence, the cheekbones, more prominent and gives you a model look. What it does is that it gives the OG curve, the curve in which this is more prominent, there is a shallow depression here, and then again the face is again broad. So it gives a very model-like look in which the upper portion of the face is more prominent and this portion there is a slight depression. Similar to what Kareena Kapoor has, what many other models have. So this, if you try to suck in your cheeks, this is what you will achieve through buccal fat pad removal. So in case you feel you have excess amount of fat in this area, you can get it removed through buccal pad of fat removal procedure, also known as Bechet's fat pad removal. The other procedures that you can combine with it are the double chin liposuction. So anybody who has excess amount of fat in their face also tend to have deposition of fat in their double chin area. So this submental area fat can be liposuction, or we can remove this fat through liposuction through a very small cut which is given in the chin area. It is hardly 2 millimeters long cut through which we can remove all the fat from this area. So these are the two procedures that we very frequently combine to give a new shape, to give a much better shape, a much leaner look to your face. So we have just completed a buccal fat pad removal procedure, and in this we remove the fat which is also called as Bechet's fat or buccal pad of fat. This fat is removed through a cut which is given inside your face. We have just completed this under local anesthesia, and this is the fat that we have removed from the left side, and this is the fat we have removed from the right side, and this is the amount of fat that we have removed, and we'll show you how much a cut is given from inside. So this is a small cut that is given from inside the mouth through which this fat is removed. And in the post-operative period, he has to take care of the cut. That is, he should be eating or drinking clean food, drinking liquid for 2 days, doing regular mouth gargles with betadine and fluorhexidine, and taking cold food mainly, not taking hot food. The swelling might be there for up to 2 to 3 days. If he takes cold liquids, if he takes good care of his face, if he uses ice packs, his swelling will be less, but everything will go away within 3 to 4 days. Using the chin strap helps. If possible, one should wear a chin strap after this surgery, and the results are visible around 1 month, and around 3 months the complete result is visible when everything is complete, when all the possible swelling is gone, and this will help you achieve a more sleeker middle face. And this is what you can achieve through a very simple procedure, buccal fat pad removal procedure, done within 15 to 20 minutes. Thank you.